So yeah, before going to start, I just want to introduce myself. I'm Veena Pupala, CEO of the Multi Arts. I just want to interact with the people who ever participated. మీరు participate చేశారు కదా, సో మీరు ఎలా ఫీల్ అయ్యారు? I just want to know little bit of thing before going to start that. It was a good journey that మీరందరూ ఈ పర్టికులర్ లాక్డౌన్ ఫేజ్ లో కూడా చాలా యాక్టివ్ గా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశారు. We got like very good రిజిస్ట్రేషన్స్ అరౌండ్ 50 అబౌవ్ దాకా రిజిస్టర్ అయ్యారు. సో చాలా బాగా పర్ఫామ్ చేశారు. లైక్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ మీరు గీసినవి కానీ రాసినవి కానీ ఇట్ వాస్ వెరీ గుడ్. So it is just like a step by step. Still, you want to share your views about this Chitrageetika. The stage is open for everyone. Let's take for 5 to 10 minutes to interact each other.
Hi Andy.
Yeah, hello Andy. Yeah, hello.
ఇది ఒక మంచి ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మన టాలెంట్ ని షోకేస్ చేసుకోవడానికి. అది కూడా ఈ లాక్ డౌన్ పీరియడ్ లో ఫ్రీగా ఉంటాం కాబట్టి మనకి ఆపర్చునిటీ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి యూజ్ చేసుకోవడం చాలా బాగుంది. అసలు నాకు మామూలుగానే ఆర్ట్ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. ఇంకా సరే అని చెప్పి పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశాను. ప్రీతి చెప్పారు అన్నమాట. సో హ్యాపీగా అనిపించింది. దాంట్లో టాప్ 5 లో రావడం ఇంకా హ్యాపీగా అనిపించింది.
కంగ్రాట్స్ ఫర్ దట్ అండి.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి.
అండ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ మీరు గీసింది
మీకు కూడా చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ వీణా గారు. మల్టీ ఆర్ట్స్ ద్వారా ఇంత మంచిగా లాక్ డౌన్ పీరియడ్ లో కండక్ట్ చేశారు. చాలా బాగుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి.
యా, డెఫినెట్లీ ద మేజర్ సపోర్ట్ బై ద పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ అండి. వాట్ ఎవర్ థాట్ మాకు వచ్చినప్పటికీ చాలా మంది చాలా యాక్టివ్ గా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశారు. సో మేజర్ కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్ నేను పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ కే డెఫినెట్ గా కాంట్రిబ్యూట్ చేస్తాను. సో చాలా ఎంతూజియాస్టిక్ గా చేశారు. అండ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఆడియన్స్ పోల్ ఉన్నప్పుడు కూడా ఇట్ వాస్ వెరీ ఇంటరాక్టివ్ అండ్
మీరు సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన టాపిక్ కూడా చాలా నీట్ గా చక్కగా ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అండ్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఇప్పుడు యంగర్ జనరేషన్స్ కి చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ అయిన టాపిక్. ఇంకా అది చూసిన వెంటనే మనకి తెలుస్తుంది లైక్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అండ్ నాలెడ్జ్ సిస్టమ్ లైక్ ఒక ఆర్ట్ కింద చూపించడం అనేది. ఆ టాపిక్ సెలెక్ట్ చేశారు మీరు, చాలా బాగుంది అది కూడా.
It was like a teamwork, and definitely we have the team. Whatever factors we'll implement that in a education way. ఎందుకంటే multi arts based core is like educating the things, whatever the things may be. We plan to educate in a different mode. Thanks a lot for your words, Andy, and let's have
Veena, Sangeeta madam is there. She has joined.
Yeah, superb. So yeah, Likita, over to you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, very warm good morning to all. I hope that everyone are safe in home. Okay, as we start every event with a prayer to God, let's start this by Preeti Garu. Preeti Garu, over to you.
Thank you for giving this opportunity, and it was a nice job like doing by Veena Garu, conducting by all these opportunities. And let us start with a prayer now. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamidashyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Harihi Om.
Thank you so much, Preeti Garu. Chitrageetika is a great competition organized by Multi Arts, and the sponsors of this competition are Planet Finance and HIM organizations. Now, let me tell something about Multi Arts. Multi Arts, it is a unique and private limited organization by Veena. The core concept of the Multi Arts is women empowerment. Veena ma'am have also trained 1,000 members, only women all over India, by launching a program called Shakti. Like this, Multi Arts have conducted many events and encouraged many people. The core concept and aim of Multi Arts is to make an individual to sustain and stand alone in this competitive world. These are a little few words about Multi Arts. And this Chitrageetika competition is a great competition. This is done to encourage the hidden arts of drawing and poetry. For this great competition and honorable program, we have very special guests. One of our guests is the woman who done MA in English and B.Ed too. She is principal and founder of Richmond High School in Hyderabad. Moreover that she is an inspirable woman and great mother of film actress Ritu Varma garu. She has also honored with Best Teacher Award from Government of AP. She is none other than Sangeeta Varma garu. Sangeeta Varma garu, we are expecting to listen few words from you, Andy.
Yeah, I hope I'm audible to you.
Yeah,
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you for making me a part of this wonderful event. Am I audible?
Yeah, you were audible, ma'am.
Thank you for your sweet introduction also. And I first of all appreciate Multi-Art Academy, which is conducting several service activities. I thought it's only for art and creative work, but from the talk of the girl, I came to know that you have conducted so many other charitable activities and service activities. So I appreciate Multi-Arts on the various activities that you are conducting. And Chitra Geetika event is also one of them, perhaps, and with wonderful participation from all over the globe, I'm sure. So I congratulate everybody. I appreciate all of you for taking part in this event with a lot of enthusiasm. When we talk of art, art can be inborn, art can be nurtured while you're growing also. Art is an expression of what we feel inside us. It's a beautiful expression. Art can be explained through several forms. It can be dance, it can be performance arts, it can be creative arts like drawing, painting, and so many such expressions of various forms. You have brought out such various, one of the various forms of art through pencil sketching and through drawing, painting, and I hope there are many more such activities. Definitely, these all start with very small steps. Let me tell you, even my daughter, Ritu Varma, is a natural artist because her father also is an artist. Actually, in the sense, they are all professionals, but art is a hobby for them. And perhaps it is there in her DNA too. I can show some of her father's artwork, which can inspire perhaps some of the audience or winners who are here. See, you can see this is a sketch made by the father of Ritu Varma. I hope it's all clear to you.
Yeah,
clear, ma'am.
it is clear, ma'am.
Similar such sketches have been made right from his childhood. Her father was a very good artist in his school days. And then later on in his profession also, he could not pursue his talent. But then after retirement, he has tried and he has done some of the artwork. Now, I think this has come in her DNA. And Ritu also keeps sketching a lot of pencil art and also paintings. This is Ritu's work, Ritu Varma's work. You can see, I'm not trying to show off, but I'm only trying to motivate and inspire the budding artists who are watching this. This is her pencil sketch. And this she has done during the lockdown. You can see this. Yeah, somebody wants to take a picture perhaps.
Yeah, we'll take it now.
Show it well, yeah. Yeah, and some of her paintings are also like this, which she has been posting on her Instagram page also. You can see this has, in fact, got a lot of likes.
Wow, beautiful, ma'am.
And When I told her this morning, she has, from her side, gave her good wishes to all the budding artists, and she has given a message that you have to encourage yourselves and keep doing it, keep practicing, because when you practice only, it will make you perfect. So every artist was first an amateur. These are the words of Emerson, Ralph Waldo Emerson. So young ladies and boys and girls and young people out there who have participated, remember that there is an artist in you, and display it and use the talent in various ways in a positive way. And you have also competed with your counterparts from all over the globe. It's a wonderful competition. Participation is important rather than winning a prize. And during this pandemic time, when we are locked down and restricted to our homes, we need a positive way to spend our time, and also we have to take this as an opportunity to bring out the best in us. It can be expressed through service, through art, through writing, through creating good friendships throughout, and in many, many forms. Nothing can stop humanity in doing good work. So continue doing good work. Young people like you all must utilize your potential and skills towards doing positive activities that will mold your personality into a very inspiring one. So all the best to the winners. Once it's time for me to declare them, I shall declare when the organizers tell me. And thank you, Anita, for making me a part of it. And thank you, Veena ji, right? The event organizer. Thank you, Veena, for making me the part of this multi-arts event. I'm really happy to be a part of it. And all the best to you in your future endeavors.
Yeah, thanks a lot for that positive words, ma'am. Whatever the work you've shown us, it's really very motivating, because we need to be in multiple areas. And I would like to thank Ritu Verma Garu for giving her own sketches to display over here. Thanks a lot for accepting the invitation, and thanks a lot, Anita Garu, for just giving us the best people in the multi-arts platform.
My pleasure.
Yeah. So over to you, Likita.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you a lot, Sangeeta Verma, ma'am, for wonderful speech and encouraging the participants. Now we have another special guest who will be introduced by Gayatri Garu. Gayatri, ma'am, over to you.
Yeah, good morning, all of you. I hope all of you stay safe at home. Okay, congratulations to toppers, first of all, and all the participants also. And from childhood onwards, we are learning and we are reading everything. Plants are taking carbon dioxide and they are giving oxygen, like that. Everything, everybody is reading. But some of the human beings, some of the people are implementing that. What is the importance of the plants, and they can listen some words of the seeds also. Make me garden. When seed is saying make me garden, some people only can listen that, like Anita Gali. She is Make Me Garden company managing director. Welcome, Anita Garu. We are very happy to associate with you once again. Last time also your speech is very inspirable, and this time also gives viewers to participants. Very happy, ma'am. Welcome to you, Anita Garu.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. First of all, let me welcome Sangeeta madam. Okay, from my end, like as soon as I asked, she agreed to be part of this event and to be a chief guest for announcing the winners. And Veena, like on May 2nd, there was one event for that which I was invited as guest, and really we enjoyed a lot that session. And I think we decided, like Preeti, Veena, we all, that we should be always part of this program. Okay, so Veena, the Preeti, everyone, the entire team was so lovely last time on May 2nd. So we all got connected, right? So myself, Anita Gali from Hyderabad, and actually mine is a very startup company only. Last year I have come up with a gardening related concept based company by name Make Me Garden Private Limited. Actually, what I have seen, like I used to attend few horticultural programs and all. In our urban areas, we don't prefer gardening and all, right? So we thought, okay, why don't we come up with a thought like where we can incubate this in people? Like we not depend for everything. Like if we need a coriander also, we should not depend. Like something should be like, you'll feel so happy once we grow something, right? So for that, I started this myself and my eldest son. He has just finished his BBA final year. Because he too liked when I came and told him, immediately he agreed. See, though his father wanted him to be a IAS, first he was like, he wanted him to be doctor. When he said no, being a BPC student, he's left around like 6 months before saying that, no, I don't want to do MBBS. Then we have put him, he said he has opted BBA. Now he says after doing BBA, you should pursue for IAS. Then he said, no, I want to be a entrepreneur. He want to be a businessman. So what happened, like his father, and if when I compare both the thoughts, like I keep talking to my elder son, I felt my son's thoughts are very higher than his father. Means IAS is also very, though it's a very respectable thing, whatever it is, but the way he thinks, I just loved it. So I just want to encourage my kids, whatever they want to. So I always support them because everyone has their own unique qualities. Like I just want to support that. Okay. Next, so I'm MD for Make Me Garden Private Limited. We have concept-based things also, like we have seed pencils, seed pens, seed calendars, seed visiting cards, seed wedding cards, all those things. Like we say that nothing should go waste. Whatever we are taking from, like nature, we are taking. We are making pencils, but again paper. These all things are coming again. We should bring it back. It should not go waste. We should again convert it to something. Again, it should be connected to nature only, related. So for that we came up, and now this is a season. Now next month we are going to get there's a festival, Ganesh Puja. So you might have heard about like we should not pollute our lakes. So that's why we have a concept like Beach Bappa, where we give complete kit. No plastic, nothing. Even the pot will be made of cocoa peat. Okay, and we give the kit where you get the cocoa peat potting mixture and seed in Ganesh and extra pack of seeds. This all comes in a lovely kit. Okay, so we just want to see that like what way we can help like the environment so that it should not get polluted. So Make Me Garden. What does it mean? Means it's saying like seed is asking to convert it into garden. So whatever we'll do, it will be based on seeds. Like we have to convert it into a plant. Okay. So that's that. And apart from that, I really love doing social service. So I've joined Lions Club International 2 years back. Last year I was president for one of the clubs, Secunderabad Samaritans. Seeing my hard work, dedication, whatever the passion, enthusiasm, they made me this year. From July 1st, I'm zone chairperson. They have given me 5 clubs. So, they have chosen and given inactive clubs. Why means the club which I joined last year also, it was very like, somewhere it was, and it was supposed to close it since it was 20 years old club. They were supposed to close the club. I brought it to top 4. Out of 64 clubs, I brought to top 4 within no time. So now they want me to another 4 more clubs they gave apart from my club, because they all are sleeping. So they want me to bring somewhere. Okay. So they say like, madam, you are the right person to make who is sleeping. You'll make them to wake up and you'll make them to stand in top 10 maybe. I think I'll be successful. But it's really a challenging year for me now because of COVID-19. We can't do services what I used to do entire year like last year. But still I'm working out on different things, like how different I can do and I can reach out. Now today and yesterday we had a discussion. Now we'll be doing all the patients who are COVID-19 positive and home quarantine. We'll call them and we'll do counseling. And we can
just a minute, and our meeting is
you have a limit?
Close. Yeah, we'll connect with other link. I'll just share that.
Done. Yeah.
No, I'm done with that. Just I'm copy pasting here all the meeting details. Sorry for the inconvenience caused. Please join to that link.
Yeah, I've joined back. I have to give link to madam because myself I was not getting connected.
Yeah, even me too.
We are also right.
Preeti
Anita ma'am,
Sorry,
like, can you please share to Sangeeta Verma ma'am? I don't know, like, I'm very sorry for inconvenience caused. Actually, this is a basic plan, and when I'm on call, like, I'm trying to extend the time wherein I couldn't able to do that. Really sorry for the inconvenience caused. Can you please share the link to Sangeeta Verma ma'am?
I have shared it now, but she's not online. I don't know whether she'll join back or not. Yeah, I've shared the link to her. Let us see. Okay. Again, I have to disconnect, call her, and also, anyways, I've shared the link. So that's so all the winners, very big congratulations. Deeparaj Garu, I think she is the most, good to see you. So I don't have any creative talent like you people. Like, I was very happy to see that Sangeeta madam sharing her daughters and her, like, those whatever sketches they have done and all. Actually, I don't have such talent, but today I would like to show something. My father was a great artist, and the painting which I am going to show, different kinds of paintings he might have done, about more than 10,000. Okay, 1 minute, I'll just show his painting which we have in the hall, which he gifted me on my birthday. Okay, just see. That was made by my father. Okay, the Ravi Varmas, he saw in the magazine, he made it. And this is one more. This was also to my eldest son's birthday, because my eldest son saw him making one day horses in the same colors, it seems. But he told Tataya, నాకు హార్సెస్ కావాలి పెయింటింగ్, కానీ మూడిటికి రంగులు డిఫరెంట్ ఉండాలి. హీ టోల్డ్ హిస్. సో సర్ప్రైజ్ గా డాడీ చేసి వాడికి బర్త్డే తెచ్చి గిఫ్ట్ ఇచ్చారు. సో మై ఫాదర్ ఇస్ నో మోర్. 7 years back he left us, but he gave us, like, every time we just see the painting, we feel happy that we were kids of a great artist. He used to do a lot of Nirmal paintings, lot, Krishna Arjun, Ajanta Ellora. Oh my God, I mean, it's been many people doing those kind of paintings, but I never saw the sharpness what my father used to give in his paintings. So I feel as a proud daughter. Actually, if suppose he would be now, I would definitely arranged a gallery from him, because when we were small, when we used to see his paintings and all, we never had ideas, or we never had money. Many things, like, we need lot of things to do such kind of things. Now we have all those things, but we don't have our father with us. When he died also, he might have never thought these all things. All suddenly many things happened and he passed away. That time, my house, we had so many unfinished paintings. He used to make one Lambadi lady. Oh my God, you'll feel that you want that Lambadi lady. That beautiful she used to be. So I feel like he might have not given us art talent, but definitely he was given different talents to all of his kids. Myself, I love motivating people. My sister has a creative, and she's an interior designer, and she's very good in designing clothes and all, actually. So some different kind, everyone has some talent. That's from my end. I just wanted to show, because Sangeeta madam was sharing, I thought, I don't have anything. So what? I have my father, he used to do all these things. Okay, it was great interacting with you all, guys, and we'll be in touch. And Veena, you're doing great job. And from my end, I know that I don't know you'll leave me or not. I don't think I'll leave you. I'll be keep introducing people to you and connecting to you, so that your multi-arts goes to many people. It should reach many people, many kids, many students, many household ladies, women, all segments, all age groups, they should be part of your program. Let us do that. Okay.
Thanks a lot for that, ma'am. Thanks a lot for that positive words. Definitely we'll do that, ma'am.
Yeah.
So Endamuri sir also gave us a small bite, which will be for just 2 minutes. We'll just share that, the link over there. You can see that. Gayatri Garu, can you share that if possible? So after reconnecting third time, I thought no one will join. For first time it was gone. I thought second time asal join avutara avara anukunna. బట్ ఇట్స్ సూపర్. చాలా మంది జాయిన్ అయ్యారు. థర్డ్ టైం ఇంకా అసలు రారు అని అనుకున్నాను. స్టిల్ చాలా మంది వచ్చారు. I would really feel great that everyone are not losing. అరే ఏంటబ్బా ఇన్నిసార్లు డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయిపోతుందనే ఫీల్ మీకు రానందుకు ఐఎమ్ రియలీ ఫీలింగ్ గ్లాడ్ అండ్ ఐఎమ్ సూపర్ హ్యాపీ ఫర్ ఆల్ ద పార్టిసిపేషన్. మీరు ఇలా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసినందుకు నేను చాలా చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాను. డెఫినెట్ గా ఇంకా అప్కమింగ్ ఈవెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి. అనిత గారు ఎంత స్ట్రాంగ్ గా అయితే చెప్పారో అందరినీ తీసుకొని వచ్చి ప్లాట్ఫామ్ లో ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేయాలని, డెఫినెట్ గా మీరు కూడా మీ ఓన్ థింగ్స్ ని మీరు కాంట్రిబ్యూట్ చేయొచ్చు. మీకు తెలిసిన వాళ్ళకు కూడా మల్టీ ఆర్ట్స్ గురించి డెఫినెట్ గా స్పెండ్ చేయండి. హూ ఆర్ ద విన్నర్స్, దే విల్ గెట్ ద ప్రైజ్ అమౌంట్ టు ద ఫోన్ పే ఆర్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దట్ అండ్ దే విల్ గెట్ ద సర్టిఫికేట్. విన్నర్స్ కి, రన్నర్స్ కి, పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ కి అందరికి సర్టిఫికేట్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. విన్నర్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో దే విల్ గెట్ ద ప్రైజ్ అమౌంట్ వాట్ వీ టోల్డ్. సో ఫర్ ద రన్నర్స్ వీఆర్ గివింగ్ ద ఆఫర్. సో హూ ఆల్ ఆర్ ద రన్నర్స్, ఎవరైతే రన్నర్స్ ఉన్నారో డెఫినెట్ గా వాళ్ళందరూ ఏంటంటే అప్కమింగ్ ఈవెంట్స్ మల్టీ ఆర్ట్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వీఆర్ ప్లానింగ్ కపుల్ ఆఫ్ సెషన్స్ లైక్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ ద మైండ్ అండ్ నిధి, హౌ టు మేనేజ్ ద మనీ స్కిల్స్ అండ్ ఆల్, గ్రాఫాలజీ. ఈ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ లో యూ పీపుల్ విల్ గెట్ a 50% ఆఫ్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ద రన్నర్స్. ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ దిస్ ఆఫ్ బికాస్ దే ఆర్ వెరీ నియర్. చాలా ఎడ్జ్ దగ్గర జస్ట్ కొద్దిగా అటు ఇటు అవ్వడం వల్ల విన్నర్స్ అండ్ రన్నర్స్ దే ఆర్ జస్ట్ డిలైడ్. We don't have nothing, everyone are winners because చాలా enthusiastic గా participate చేశారు. I would like to feel privileged for creating such type of platform where you people are exploring your own skills. Thanks a lot for participating. Now we'll just play the video which was shared by Endamuri sir. Just a second. Gayatri garu, can you please do it now? Now so many people are adding to the call. Very great.
Hi everybody, I am Endamuri Veerendranath, a Telugu film director and a novel writer. This Chitra Geetika has sent me some poems. It seems there are many people who participated in this, but 5 poems were sent to me and I was asked to select 3 among them. The first prize goes to Aham by Swati. ఈ అమ్మాయి ఎవరో కానీ చాలా హయ్యెస్ట్ ఫిలాసఫికల్గా రాసింది. మేబీ వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ కానీ మదర్ గారు అన్నా బాగా చదివారా, లేకపోతే ఈ అమ్మాయి చదివిందా, సమ్ జడ్జి కృష్ణమూర్తి ఫిలాసఫీ ఈజ్ రియల్లీ గుడ్. అహం. అండ్ ద సెకండ్ ప్రైజ్ గోస్ టు పంచభూతాస్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ బై తేజ. పంచభూతం అంటే తెలుసు కదా, గాలి, నీరు, భూమి, ఆకాశం, నిప్పు. ఈ 5 ఒక స్త్రీలోనే ఉన్నాయని చెప్పి జస్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అరౌండ్ 12 సెంటెన్సెస్, 12 సెంటెన్సుల్లో అద్భుతంగా రాశాడు అబ్బాయి. తేజ అంటే ఐ థింక్ ఈజ్ ఎ బాయ్. ఇంగ్లీష్లో రాశాడు, బాగుంది. అండ్ థర్డ్ ప్రైజ్ గోస్ టు వై ఐ ఆమ్ ఎఫెక్టెడ్ బై దీపారాజ్. వై ఐ ఆమ్ ఎఫెక్టెడ్. నిజం చెప్పాలంటే నాకు కొద్దిగా అర్థం కాలేదు, 10 సార్లు చదివితే కానీ అర్థం కాలేదు. బట్ అర్థమైన తర్వాత మాత్రం చాలా బాగుంది. ఐ విష్ దిస్ చిత్రగీతిక ఆర్గనైజర్స్ all the best because they are encouraging these young and really poetry is very good. I wish you all the best, both the participants and the organizers. Thank you very much.
I'm really glad to be part of the Chitraland. I congratulate all the participants and winners of this event, and a special thanks to Sangeeta Verma garu and Anita garu. This is new to me and really got a lot of encouragement from motivated you to start this.
Okay, thanks a lot for asking that question. Even I'll question myself what motivated me. Whenever I was sitting in my campus area, నేను అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి ఒక రోజు అక్కడ నుంచి మాట్లాడాలి, గెస్ట్ అవ్వాలి. I used to think like that. I don't know how I got that seriously, but I'm more passionate about ఒక painting ని చూస్తున్నా, ఒక I'm more motivated. So I thought, why don't we make a platform where everyone can explore their skills and their potential? And it was not like a cakewalk. ఆల్మోస్ట్ 6 kilometers మేము నడిచి ఒక హీరో హోండా షోరూమ్ దగ్గర నేను వన్ ఆఫ్ మై ఫ్రెండ్ హరిత. సో వి థాట్ ఇది ఇలా చేయాలంటే చాలా కష్టం అని అనిపించింది. చాలా బ్యాటిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి టు క్రియేట్ దిస్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్. ఇట్స్ నాట్ లైక్ ఎ సింపుల్ థింగ్. యూ కెన్ సీ నౌ టు కనెక్ట్ ఈచ్ అదర్ ఇట్ మేక్స్ అస్ క్రైస్. సో ఇలాంటి ఎప్పుడు వెనెవర్ ఐల్ గెట్ స్లాప్ ఆర్ వెనెవర్ ఐల్ గెట్ ఎ ఫెయిల్యూర్ ఐల్ గెట్ మోర్ బూస్ట్. అంటే డబుల్ స్పీడ్ తో వెనక్కి రావాలి అని చెప్పి నేను ఎప్పుడు అనుకుంటూ ఉంటాను. సో దట్స్ ద హోల్ పాయింట్ హౌ ఐ గాట్ దిస్, ఐ థింక్ సో. అండ్ ఐ మోర్ ప్యాషనెట్ అబౌట్ ఆర్ట్స్ అండ్ ఐ మోర్ ప్యాషనెట్ అబౌట్ ఎంకరేజ్ పీపుల్. ఎందుకు ఇలా ఆలోచిస్తారు, ఎందుకు అలా ఆలోచిస్తారు, ఐ యూస్ టు క్వశ్చన్ ఎ లాట్ పీపుల్. So all these things, maybe I created the platform of Multi Arts, and I was a graphologist first. అంటే నేను గ్రాఫాలజీ ఆర్ట్ ని తీసుకెళ్ళి చెప్పేదాన్ని. సో అలా చెప్తున్నప్పుడు అందరూ అడిగేవాళ్ళు, యూ హ్యావ్ ద విజిటింగ్ కార్డ్, యూ హ్యావ్ లైక్ దిస్, యూ హ్యావ్ లైక్ దిస్ అని. సో అసలు ఏం పెట్టాలి అన్న థాట్ లో ఆలోచిస్తే మై థాట్స్ వర్ నాట్ రిలవెంట్, చాలా వైడ్ రేంజ్ లో ఉన్నాయి. సో లెట్స్ మేక్ ఎ మల్టీ ఆర్ట్స్ వేర్ విల్ క్రియేట్ ఎ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ మల్టిపుల్ థింగ్స్. If you join multi arts, you will become a versatile. Versatile అంటే బహుముఖ ప్రజ్ఞాశాలి. అంటే ఏ ఏరియాస్ లో అయినా నిన్ను నువ్వు ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేసుకోగలుగుతావు, ఏ ఏరియాస్ లోనైనా నువ్వు ప్రొజెక్ట్ చేసుకోగలుగుతావు అని చెప్పి మేము స్టార్ట్ చేసాం. ఇట్ వాస్ లైక్ ఏ వండర్ఫుల్ జర్నీ అంటిల్ నౌ. చాలా మెంబర్స్, ఐ ఫీల్ వెరీ I was in the sky. If I listen the name of multi arts in other mouth, multi arts అనే నేమ్ ఎవరైనా చెప్తున్నారంటే I will be in the sky, because that was like my brain child. నేను దాన్ని క్యారీ చేశాను. ఎలాగైతే I gave birth to my own kid, I just gave that birth to multi arts as well. This is not like one thing. నేను ఒక్కదాన్నే ఇచ్చేయలేదు. So many people. It was started with my friends who are 4. I would like to introduce them. One of friend is there, like Bhavna. You can tell some more points how it was born. She is in the journey as well. Bhavna?
Yes, I'm here. I'm Bhavna. I'm one of the member in Multi Arts now. So this all started in our college actually. So we were 4 friends, like myself, Veena and Harita and Nimilita. So I literally saw how passionate Veena was. Like, she just went and attended a workshop in our college which was conducted. So there she when we all friends attended that workshop, but she is the only one who got stuck onto that place where she attended that, and she was very interested to learn that. She herself went to many classes. She met so many people. She analyzed so many handwritings, and we were like surprised, like why was she behind that graphology when everyone are going to interviews and everyone were feeling like that. But then we understood how passionate she was into that, and we all I'll not say we helped her, but we were all with her in our journey. Like congratulations Veena. Like we are all we are very fortunate to be with you. And so she also conducted many sessions in many colleges and schools, where a lot of students, she has been encouraged in this particular talent called graphology. And also many she's all into arts. Finally, totally she's into arts, where she herself do not want to constrain any thing into her. Like, she wanted to spread whatever she felt. Everyone will be having that feeling of going into arts. She wanted to build up that and push up like she want everyone to give her talent out. She want everyone to be standing out and say, this is I am, and this is what we anyone can do if they are passionate about something. So this is all Multi Arts is about. Thank you everyone for participating in this competition, and congratulations to all the winners who are actively joined us. And though we have disconnected a lot of times, I see a lot of people here. Thank you so much for being with us today. So over to you, Veena.
Yeah, like one of the main person, like managing director of Multi Arts, she was not here because she was with a personal thing. She was like pregnant and all, so she's not here. We put like 4 members, we have the wide journey. It was not a cakewalk at all. More slaps, more downs, more failures especially. whenever I'll get failure, I'll get a very good boost. Yeah, sare nu itla istava, sare next na chudu. I'll take in that way. So that makes me work, I think so. Yeah, the whole concept is like, if I get the failure, I'll feel more happy because I'm learning over there. It will be little bit pressure initial level, but the failure part will be very less. It's just like a ratio. Initially it will be very high, in middle చాలా తక్కువగా ఉంటుంది దాని ఇంపాక్ట్. అది అయిపోతూనే ఇట్ విల్ బీ లైక్ ఎ బిగ్ స్టోరీ ఫర్ అస్. అది అప్పుడు అవ్వడం వల్ల నేను ఇప్పుడు ఇలా అయ్యాను అని చెప్పుకునే అంత స్టోరీలా ఉంటుంది. సో ఐ కెన్ గైడ్ యూ సంథింగ్ హియర్. ఇఫ్ యూ గెటింగ్ ఎనీ ఫెయిల్యూర్స్, ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ ఇన్ ఏ బ్యాడ్ ఫేజ్, pat yourself and work for that. I can tell you that, so that it will be a big story for you. Thanks a lot for asking that question, and yeah, over to you, Likita.
Thanks
Yeah,
a
I
lot,
want
ma'am.
to speak here. Let me speak something else to this
Okay,
ladies,
ma'am. We are
girls, ladies,
happily
whatever.
welcoming
Okay.
you.
Yeah, actually, now let me tell something. Like from my childhood, if I see, like I never won a single prize. Like in my in your last event also, I said. So exactly like 2018, April 22nd, until that day also, I didn't had anything. I used to feel that I should buy few and keep it because everyone gets something or other. I'm not getting anything. How does people get awards, rewards, all those things I had doubt. But I used to be in network marketing. There I've grown as a good leader, I can say. Okay. Then what happened? About 100 people were getting awarded as lady legends. I think I was only lady. Like I tried, it was closed on 31st March. I came to know on 1st April, but I still didn't leave it. I tried for whole day. By 4 o'clock, I could register myself as for Lady Legend awardee. Then what happened? Like it got accepted. After 2-3 days, I got this thing that they have accepted my this thing, and they asked me to make a video. I have sent, and I told I'm a network marketer, so and so. There, where we can give people to give a earning opportunity. Whatever I felt, I have told. Then see, I was selected because from entire lot they got 736 or something. This thing, the people got registered for that award. That was me because I was only the one who registered myself as a network marketer. So that was the reason which made me unique among the other people. So I was in that top 100. But when I was looking for these awards and all, one day I was sitting in Batkama program where they have given a name like Batkama event with 100 women entrepreneurs. Okay. I was seeing like everything is good, but something is missing. When you like Ravindra Bharati main auditorium, it was going on. I was sitting like an audience. I was just saying like everything is good, but something is missing. But my heart was questioning if I would be there, what I would have done. This question should be there. We always prefer to be like audience means you can't bring any difference in our lives. So that thought, you'll not believe exactly after 1 year, like 2017, I was sitting as an audience in Ravindra Bharati main auditorium. 2018, same Batkama event on October 16, I've come up with award event where I have registered myself in Telugu Book of Records and Wonder Book of Records, and we have given awards to 250 women entrepreneurs. It was not 250, it was actually more than 350, but we have to give a figure, so we gave to Wonder Book and all that many, and we made it sure that 250 people will be awarded. But whereas we awarded more than 350 that day. So that's what I'm saying. The thought, like exactly 1 year back, I was no one. I was just sitting like an audience, but I have created a platform for so many women, because many will be like me who will be sitting like an audience, who will die to be on the dais. So I want to give them a very good dais, like Ravindra Bharati is actually, it's quite, people also will feel happy because to be in main auditorium, 1,000 people are seeing. And then, what happened there? Hari Krishna, Mamid Hari Krishna is there, who is the person who handles all those things. He said one thing like, Madam, can you fill the hall? I said, yes, of course. But whereas I was just very new into the market, but my thought was like, I want to see this hall full. This was my thought. The hall capacity is 1,000, but you'll not believe people were nearly 1,500 to 2,000. People were standing, people were out, because it was followed by Dandiya and Batkama. First was award event. I asked every participant participant to be like awardees to come in red sarees. It was wonderful event that day. So that's what I am saying. First, we need to question ourselves. Like if your inner voice should speak to you. If you would be there, what you have done, what you can do. So now you also said like when you see such things, you felt like that was it was passionate, it was motivating you. So that's the reason you created Multi Arts. So same way, like whenever I'll tell you one more. Like when I went to Delhi, I was seeing Indira Gandhi Memorial. I saw her most of pictures we'll see in a politicians. They'll be always facing the audience. When I saw one of a pic with lot of people, like because political meets will be like that only. Everyone will see gallery and come out, but myself, what else, if I would be there, what I'll speak, what I'll do. This somewhere a question will be there always in my mind. Okay. So I'll, wherever I'll say, like if you see Rela Rera singing people, I'll think like if I'll be there, what I'll do. Definitely I can do something. I'll sing in Rela Rera. I'll feel that. You can't be melodious or something like that, but definitely to that zoner I can suit. So that's what I'm saying. Everywhere, don't be an audience. Just keep yourself in that place and see what you can do. And definitely you can create or bring wings to your thoughts. Okay. That's what always I am. I always think now, see, I have a laypeople here of Lions Club. Actually, last year when I was president, I used to see zone chairperson, region chairperson, all those people they'll be honored with a different badge. I'll be getting this month end. So I used to get attracted to that batch, what they put. It makes them different from all the crowd. So I used to feel, array, this is good. But I never worked for the post. This time they requested, they were behind me that I should become a zone chairperson. So whatever you think, you will get it. That's that I can assure you. So all you who participated and who believed yourself that you can be part of it and you can win something, it's a great thing. And in poetry, Yandamuri Garu selecting is not a small thing. So you should feel proud about yourself and many congratulations and wishing you a great years ahead. Right. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anita ma'am, and we are very actually happy to be part of this event, and even we are looking further also to be part of our events, whatever the events we are conducting, and we are expecting more from you also. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Preeti. Because of you, I'm here and I got connected to Veena.
Yes, Adakkane naku kaadu ani annaru. Like I'm very much happy, and I don't know like how Veena ma'am is feeling regarding this, and every time like నేను ఎప్పుడు చెప్తాను వీణా మ్యామ్ తో అరే అనిత మ్యామ్ అడక్కనే ఏది అడిగినా కాదు అని అంటారు లైక్ వెరీ గుడ్ పర్సన్ ఫర్ us now. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Preeti. Thank you so
Yeah,
much. No, actually, I'm very happy.
Deeparaj garu answer.
Yeah. Thank you, Gayatri, for giving me this. I was actually waiting, but then I didn't want to stop.
I want to know about your poetry. That is very interesting to me personally.
Thank you so much. But before I say about my poetry, I want to say, Anita ma'am, I can just go on listening to you. Now I do understand why people want you in their groups, because you can seriously awaken the dead. I'm telling you. Now I know why people want you in their groups. So thank you, Veena. Because of you, I got to know Anita ma'am. And it's one of my friend that I got to know about Multi Arts. So I started searching the videos and stuff, and I found the work what Veena was doing is really nice, because nowadays what people require is some push. They all know everybody is, and this is the right kind of platform. So, and the second thing what attracted was this was the only place which didn't ask me my age. Above 18 and you can participate. So, whereas the rest of the people, youngsters, they all want youngsters. It's not about the mind, but it's about the age that they want to. So that was another thing which attracted me. And so thank you so much. I never expected that I would win. But then, and the third thing which attracted was they allowed me to write it in English, because I think in English, so I think I can express myself better in English. So the day that I got to know about this poetry, it was exactly a few days after Sushant Singh Rajput died. So that really affected me. Not that I'm a big fan of his, but then someone just giving away the life. I was not in peace. And as William Wordsworth said, poetry is nothing but emotions recollected in tranquility. I was not at all in peace because of somebody's passing away. Not that I have a great fan of his. So that because being an artist, you can express it in some way or the other. And I expressed in the form of poetry, and that was adjudged by you all. I'm really feeling nice. It was my sorrow or sadness which I expressed, and I got to know about Sir. And Sir just talking about it, even third or runner up, or even the top 10 also, I would have been very happy, at least if Sir reads it. So I'm thankful to Meena.
థ్యాంక్స్ అలాట్ ఫర్ దట్ అండి. సార్ చెప్పారు ఫస్ట్ టైం అర్థం కాలేదంటే 10 times చదివారంట దాన్ని అర్థం చేసుకోవడానికి. దెన్ యూ ఓన్.
Okay, that's what I heard. చెప్పారు కదా, అర్థం కాదంటే maybe I should have expressed it even more better.
No, it was nice. That's why you were in the winning zone.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for this opportunity. This is indeed a great platform for people who are craving for some kind of a way to express themselves, rather than just being an audience. Thank you so much. And Anita Garu, it's really a pleasure knowing you.
Thanks so much. My house people, they think like my husband and my kids, I'm stupid. I always say blah, blah, blah. I say, people, they doesn't know the importance of all these things, like what people are missing in their life. For my entire childhood to a certain age, maybe like up to even 40 years of age also, I always used to look for people, someone appreciate me and say you're good. I never got that word good. So I feel like, once I started stepping out of this zone, my house, everywhere I go, I get some compliment. I'll come back with a compliment, something, even my husband also, like in certain one thing he gives me compliment, but they know I'm good, active, energetic, but I'm not using it in a proper way, they think. But I feel this is the best way, like, I can go and boost anyone. Like any functions are that they say, you come first, because without you, it doesn't look good. Because I just go with my positive vibes, and I make it like, I told last time, we also, and Deepi, Preeti, everyone, that I take off. See, the event is multi-arts, but I'll just capture the event. So that is bad, maybe, but I feel that I want to keep things very in a positive mode. Like, they should be happy to join us back. Last time also happened, Preeti and Veena thought it seems it end in 15-20 minutes, whereas it went on for 1 hour 20 minutes. So I said, see, this is what we could keep the crowd engaged. So they are interested, means they'll be there, otherwise they'll leave off. So our job is done, I told. So same thing, like with you also, it's guys, like, also today we could
Tina,
this
also
time
just
also,
like to thank Gayatri, because she was really a bridge between me and multi-arts. Whatever doubt or apprehensions I had, Gayatri always was there to answer me. So that was very nice, somebody being there, a feeling of, I have somebody karke. So thank you all. It was really a pleasure.
Yeah, that's really great. And
lovely knowing all you girls. Last time I was not knowing that this is only for ladies, but when Veena particularly mentioned that, no, we usually do for ladies. This time did you do it for
no, this for everyone. Usually it's a coincidence, only ladies are winning. I don't know why it's.
That's not, unfortunately, for the first event.
Hey, last time also all winners were girls only.
Yes, true.
No, one of the runner is Rahul.
Rahul, I saw. Yeah, I read it out. No, it was in my list. Yeah.
So it is like just a coincidence.
And I don't know. Okay. Great. Women are talented in all the ways, Many examples I give. I say that for festivals also we have to do all kind of work. Then again we need to dress nicely. Let it be Batkama or anything. They want to see us beautiful, who are great husbands. So everywhere we show our this thing. Though we work hard, we do everything. Again we dress up, we show, we go, we dance, we do everything. Oh my God. So hats off to all the women over there. Chalo. I think we are closing.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you for that's it, ma'am.
Okay.
Likita, over to you. Just 2 minutes. We have only 2 minutes now. You can do that.
Okay, I will end up.
Yeah, Gayatri garu,
Likita.
Yes, ma'am. I'm requesting
Thank you so much, Anita garu and Sangeeta Varma garu not here. Thank you. Give your valuable time, and very, very, very happy. And congratulations to all participants. Okay, make us it very big success. Thank you so much, all of you. Okay, we will. You can leave this meeting. Yeah.
Thank you. Once again,
we are looking forward to have you. Definitely, మీకు తెలిసిన వాళ్ళకి spread చేయండి. It is a very good platform where you can explore your skills. థ్యాంక్స్ అ లాట్ 3 times జాయిన్ అయినందుకు థ్యాంక్స్ and thanks.
Yeah.
One
Thank
more
you
thing,
so much,
we'll
ma'am. Once
announce
again,
the-
Anita ma'am, to being here in this event and making this event a very big successful. And thanks for introducing Sangeeta ma'am also. And we love you so much.